This is not just a district. This is the heart of Indian politics, Amethi, where history, culture, and power come together in true. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore Amethi, a district in Uttar Pradesh that is widely known for its political importance and cultural heritage. While many people recognize Amethi because of its connection to Indian politics, it also has a rich history, vibrant culture, and growing development. So let's begin this journey. History. Amethi has a long historical background that dates back to ancient time. It was once part of various regional kingdoms and later come under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. During British rule, Amethi was an important administrative region. However, its gained national prominence in modern India due to its association with prominent political leader and its role in Indian democracy. Overall, Amethi has developed into an important district with both historical and political significance. Geography. Amethi is located in the central part of Uttar Pradesh. It lies in the fertile plains of northern India, which are ideal for agriculture. The district experiences hot summer, cool winter, moderate monsoon rainfall. Its geography supports farming and it is well connected to nearby districts like Sultanpur, Raebareli and Pratapgarh. People. The people of Amethi are known for their simplicity, warmth and strong community values. Most of the population lives in rural area. The main occupation include agriculture, small-scale industries, government and private job. The people actively participate in festival, social activity and local tradition. Language. The primary language spoken in Amethi is Hindi. Regional dialects such as Awadhi are also widely used in daily conversation. Urdu is spoken by some communities, reflecting culture diversity. Food. The food of Amethi reflects traditional North Indian cuisine and rural simplicity. Popular food items include roti, dal, rice, and seasonal vegetable. Traditional dishes made with locally grown grain, sweet like peda, jalebi, and laddu. The cuisine is simple, nutrition, and deeply rooted in local tradition. Culture. Amethi has a rich culture heritage influenced by traditional and rural lifestyle. Cultural highlights include festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid and Chhath, folk music and dance, a strong family and social values. The culture reflected unity, simplicity and tradition. Tourism. Amethi is not a major tourist destination, but it has several palaces of local and historical importance, regional temples, and local shrines, historical sites related to regional rulers. Natural rural landscape. These attractions draw visitors from nearby areas and those interested in local culture. Fact. Here are some interesting facts about Amethi. It is known for its political significance in India. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Awadhi culture strongly influences the region. It has a mix traditional and modern development. Important. Amethi holds important in several aspects. Political importance. A key constitutionally in Indian politics, agriculture. importance fertile and support farming culture, importance rich traditional and heritage, social importance strong rural community life. Conclusion. In conclusion, Amethi is a district that represented a blend of vertical importance, cultural richness, and rural development. Its history, traditional, and role in Indian democracy make it a unique and significant region. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching this video.